Hello friends, this is Nimisha. Welcome back to my channel Nimisha's Lively Lifestyle. In my today's video, I am going to review some products that I purchased from a brand called Just Herbs. Before reviewing the products, I would like to tell you all that I would review products only after using it for almost a month or at least for 15 days because it takes time for the products to work on our skin. Before beginning the video, I would like to talk something about the brand. Just Herbs is an Indian Ayurvedic luxury brand. They are headquartered at Mohali, Punjab. They manufacture products for hair care and mostly skin care, which also includes makeup products. They do not test their products on animals, that makes their products free from cruelty. And they also do not use any synthetic ingredients, so their products are free from sulfate, paraben and any other synthetic ingredients. So they are 100% Ayurvedic products. From a very long time, I wanted to switch my skincare products into much organic ones. As my skin is very sensitive, I always purchase products after a detailed research, and I'm also very careful as to what products I'm using. So I found Just Herbs page on Instagram and I just read their reviews, and I was really very happy and very impressed after reading the reviews. So I decided to visit their website page. So when I visited their website, I found that they had something called trial kits. And trial kits was something which we could try the products and then understand how it works on our skin and then indulge in buying the bigger version of the products. So as I was looking for skincare products, I purchased their daily skin essentials, that is normal to dry skin, as my skin is dry. There is a separate trial kit for oily skin too. If you have a oily skin, then you can purchase and try that. The trial kit comes in a very cute and simple eco-friendly pouch. It contains 7 products, out of which 3 products comes in a tube, other 3 products come in a small plastic bottles, and 1 is a facial mist which comes in a spray glass bottle. You can reuse this bottle once the mist is over. It is very small and travel friendly. It would fit in any of your handbags. Now let's talk about the 7 products that I received from Just Herbs in the trial kit. The first product is Silk Splash Neem Orange Rehydrant Ayurvedic Face Wash. The second product is Steam Distilled Rose Water Facial Mist. The third one is Apricot Sparkle Invigorating Skin Radiance Scrub. The fourth product is Herbal Nourishing Massage Cream. The fifth one is Instaglow Almond Complexion Pack. The sixth product is Sun Nil Jojoba Grapeseed Sun Protection Lotion. And the 7th product is a Fair Fumitory Licorice Skin Brightening Cream. Along with these 7 products, I also received a complimentary product for which a list of products are available, and you can select any one of them according to your wish. I selected the night cream, that is the Affair Fumitory Licorice Skin Brightening Cream, as I love night creams due to their formula. They are designed in such a way that it repairs, restores and regenerates our skin while we sleep. At first, when I received these products, I was very dejected as all of these were very small and were in miniature sizes. I thought I would not be able to do a review video as the products would be very little and would get over very soon. But later, when I started using them, I realized that a very little product is required for our daily use. Now let's get into a detailed review video. So the first product which I am going to discuss is the Silk Splash Neem Orange Rehydrant Ayurvedic Face Wash. This is an amazing face wash and I really loved using this. I would repurchase this product, and this is my favorite from their trial kit. And the main ingredients in this product is neem, aloe vera and orange extract, which leaves your skin very supple and do not make it scaly or dry. And it is also very refreshing after using, and it also has a very soft and gentle smell too. So let's discuss about the second product, that is Apricot Sparkle Invigorating Skin Radiance Scrub. This scrub really smells very good, just like apricot as its name suggests. The texture of this scrub is very creamy and the gritty particles are not very harsh. So, and it is also a very good pick for dry skin because it does not leave your skin dry, and it is a perfect pick for them. And also their main ingredients are apricot, walnut and moringa seeds and also sunflower seeds, and I really love this product.
Moving to the next product, that is steam distilled rose water facial mist.
This facial mist smells exactly like roses, and they also have claimed to use real roses in manufacturing this one. And this is really very refreshing, as after a busy or a hectic day you can just spray it on your face and it really leaves you very refreshed.
The next product is the Sunnil Jojoba Grape Seed Sun Protection Lotion.
This sunscreen does not leave your skin sticky. It's just like any moisturizing cream, and it does not leave any whiteness on your skin after using this like many of the sunscreens does. And the main ingredients used in this is grapeseed and jojoba oil, and their fragrance is also very good. I loved using this sunscreen.
So let's move to the next product, that is Herbal Nourishing Massage Cream.
This nourishing facial massage cream has to be applied after washing your face. This is basically a day cream. The main ingredients they have used in this is ashwagandha, mulethi and sandalwood. It's non-sticky and it is really good. It leaves your skin very nourishing, and I love their day cream.
The next product is a Fair Fumitory Licorice Skin Brightening Cream.
So this skin brightening cream is basically a night cream. The main ingredient in this is licorice, and it does not leave your skin sticky. It does a fairly good job of a night cream, and I have a good experience using this night cream.
Moving to the last product, that is Instaglow Almond Complexion Pack.
Instaglow is basically a mud pack. It is a complexion facial mask, and this has to be used twice a week, and the main ingredients in this is almond, and I did not personally experience any instant glow, but I feel after using it continuously and in every week I would experience some kind of glowness. I hope you found this video very helpful and also enjoyed watching my video. I would leave their website link in my description box so that you can have a look at their website and also purchase the products which you love to. Do mention in the comment box which products you purchased and also what was your experience with Just Herbs. I would love to read your comments. That's all for today. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you get a notification as soon as I upload a new video. I would come very soon with another video. Until next time, this is Nimisha signing off. Bye.